Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 225. This was the 12th of April, 2023, a Wednesday. I did exercise, I did Remote Wellness Academy, I did insurance business, I did some other business. I also picked up my daughter from school, took my daughter to school, picked her up from school, took her to an eye doctor appointment, and that was pretty much all for day 225. So my gratitude goes out to people at the Florida Eye Clinic, very professional people, everybody from the doctors to the administrative personnel working behind the desk to the lady who sells the glasses. Everybody's really wonderful there at that place, and I took excellent care of my daughter. They take excellent care of me when I have my appointments. So very happy with the people working in the eye business, keeping us seeing and keeping us healthy. So that's it for day 225. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Talk to you again soon.